Healthcare is rapidly evolving toward connected, data-driven care. Medical device integration plays a critical role in enabling real-time clinical insights and improving patient outcomes. At Lifepoint Informatics, we help healthcare organizations seamlessly connect medical devices with electronic health records, creating a unified and intelligent healthcare ecosystem. Hospitals and healthcare providers rely on a wide range of medical devices to monitor patient health. However, when these devices are not connected to clinical systems, data must be manually recorded. This manual process increases the risk of errors, delays clinical decisions, and creates inefficiencies for healthcare staff. Automated data capture reduces administrative burden and allows healthcare professionals to focus more on patient care. Real-time monitoring allows healthcare teams to detect early warning signs, respond faster to changes in patient conditions, and provide more personalized treatment plans. By eliminating manual data entry, Lifepoint Informatics helps healthcare organizations improve efficiency and streamline clinical workflows. Automated data capture reduces administrative burden and allows healthcare professionals to focus more on patient care. Medical device integration also improves patient safety. Automated alerts can notify clinics when abnormal readings occur, allowing faster responses to critical situations and reducing the risk of adverse events. Lifepoint Informatics also supports remote patient monitoring solutions. Connected devices can securely transmit data from patients outside clinical settings, enabling healthcare providers to track chronic conditions and expand telehealth services. Our integration platform supports a wide range of healthcare devices, including vital sign monitors, infusion pumps, wearable devices, and advanced imaging systems. This flexibility allows healthcare organizations to create a fully connected clinical environment. At Lifepoint Informatics, interoperability is at the core of our technology. Our solutions support industry standards such as HL7 and FHIR to ensure seamless communication between devices, clinical systems, and healthcare applications. Protecting patient data is a top priority. Lifepoint Informatics solutions are designed to meet strict healthcare security and compliance standards, including HIPAA regulations and modern cybersecurity frameworks. With deep expertise in healthcare interoperability, Lifepoint Informatics helps organizations unlock the full potential of connected healthcare. Our solutions empower providers with real-time data, improved efficiency, and better clinical outcomes. Medical device integration is transforming healthcare delivery. With Lifepoint Informatics, healthcare organizations can connect devices, data, and care, creating smarter, safer, and more efficient healthcare systems.